Okay, this is the Iccker salt and pepper grinders. This one I'm going to put pepper in, but I'm going to show you how to change the batteries first. You find the dots at the top, you line them up and pull it off, and there's the batteries. It takes 6 AA batteries. So they go in like that. Put it back together, line up the dots, and then click it into place. And to put the peppercorns in, it has the 2 arrows here, an arrow there. So you click it like that, and it comes off. So you take the peppercorns and just kind of pour them in to the top of it. Then you put it back together. Line up the arrows again, click it into place, and it has a light on the bottom. You can adjust the grind underneath. It has an adjustable thing. To the right is a fine grind, to the left is a coarse grind. And it has the light under there too.